Hello and welcome back to day 11 of 100 Days of Code. Don't miss out on your learning. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Today, we're diving into the world of Python lists, exploring one of the most fundamental and versatile data structures, the list function. Lists are ordered collections of items, allowing us to store and organize data efficiently. They're incredibly versatile, used in various applications, from storing student names to managing shopping lists. How to create lists. Creating lists in Python is straightforward. Providing an example of a fruit list. To create a fruit list, use the following format: square bracket, open with apple, banana, and oranges, then close the square bracket. Fruits list equals. Each list element has an index, starting from 0, 1, 2, and so on. Use square brackets to access elements. Print fruits list 0. Then run the code. It will have the result apple. Modifying lists. Lists are mutable, meaning you can modify their contents. For example, if you want to add one more fruit such as grape, we can use append function. Append function add an item to the end of the list. Fruits list.append grape. Print fruits list. Now in the result we can see grape is added in the last index. If you want to add an item in specific index, then we will use insert function. In this example we'll be adding one additional fruit, kiwi, at index 1, so our code will be 1, kiwi. Print fruits list. Output will be apple, kiwi, banana, orange, grape. Now we can see at index 1 previous loaded was banana. Now we had added a kiwi and banana is now at index 2. Now if you want to remove or delete any index, we will be using remove function. For example, if I want to remove the banana from the list, then I will use the code fruit list.remove in the bracket. Banana. Fruits list.remove banana. Now if we run this code, we can see banana is removed from our list. Print fruits list. Lists are fundamental building blocks in Python, providing a versatile and efficient way to organize and manipulate data. Whether you're a beginner or experienced programmer, understanding lists is essential for navigating the world of Python programming. Remember to practice using lists regularly to solidify your understanding. With consistent practice, you'll become proficient in using lists and harness their power in your Python projects. So in the next video we will be learning loop function, so stay tuned. See you tomorrow.